This property is a one-bedroom, one full bath home. The monthly rental amount is $1,600. Interior features of this property include hardwood floors, stainless steel appliances, natural gas heat, and a gourmet kitchen. On the outside, this property features an attached garage. Community amenities include a swimming pool, a fitness center, a community clubhouse, a bicycle or walking path, and an elevator. The approximate square footage is 642 square feet. This property is represented by
Misook Lee with a Long and Foster.